You want to make money with Fiverr affiliate marketing? Make sure you do watch this video right here because I'm going to be revealing to you an amazing strategy which you can actually use to start making money with Fiverr in the year 2023 and beyond. So make sure you do stick on right here and watch this video to the end and learn this simple strategy right now which you can actually use to make money online. And without further ado, let's jump right ahead into today's video. So first of all guys, before you do go on to making money as a Fiverr affiliate marketer, you want to just simply try to determine the type of gig which you want to go on to promoting right now. And to actually do so, I'm just going to head on to Google, and if I do go on to typing in something like Fiverr right here, I can actually do go on to starting from the alphabet A, and if I do start from A, I'll be able to see some Google suggestions right now about niches right here. I can actually do go on to changing that to B. You can see some suggestions right now. I can change that to H. You can see some suggestions which are actually the Fiverr homepage, Fiverr headquarters, Fiverr hacks, Fiverr how it works, and a lot more other stuff. Right here I can actually do go on to changing that to the L, and what I'm going to do right now is that if I do change this to W, you can actually do see some cool suggestions right now. But one suggestion that actually came to my attention is actually the Fiverr website design. And if I do go on to selecting this niche right now, and you want to just simply select a niche with a very low competition, and how do you know that that niche actually has some low competition and a very good search volume? You want to just simply utilize this platform right here, which is called the ahrefs.com, and this is actually a free platform where you could actually do go on to analyzing keywords. And right now, if I do paste in that keyword right there and click on find keyword, you can actually do go on to seeing that it's gonna go on to analyzing that particular keyword after it's done completing this reCAPTCHA. And right now you can see the details of this keyword, which is the Fiverr website design. You can see right now guys that is actually showing green right here, meaning that this is actually okay for you to go on to focusing on this particular gig on Fiverr. You can see right now this is the search volume which you do get right here, and you can actually do start making money right now with this particular gig. So actually do so right here, you want to just simply go to Fiverr, go into the graphic design section and actually select the website design. And if you do select the website design, you'll be able to see a lot of gigs that actually offer this particular type of gig, or a lot of freelancers that actually render this kind of services right here on Fiverr. You can see right now that about 40,000 individuals are actually rendering this service on Fiverr, which is actually the website design. You could just simply go into filtering right here the offers right now. Based on recommendation, you could filter your offers based on best selling and based on the newest arrivals. And right now I'm going to leave that on best selling right here. And if I do go on to maybe selecting one of this particular gig right here, and supposing I want to just simply use this gig, I'm going to open this on a new tab. And right here guys, you can actually do go on to see more details about this gig right here, about this particular freelancer. But you want to just simply focus more on the review section of this particular person's jobs, and you can see right now that a lot of people are actually dropping some cool reviews right here, because these reviews actually help you depict the quality of this person right now. So you can actually do go on to using that to your advantage right here. So what you want to do is to just simply click on contact me, and you want to just simply send them a message which says something like, hi, I'm writing an article on the best Fiverr website gigs right here, so I would like you to go on to sending me samples of your works right here, and maybe I can actually add that to the list. And if you do that right here and send that to someone right now on this particular platform called Fiverr, they are actually going to go on to contacting you and giving you samples of their job if they are actually interested. But if they don't, you can actually do go on to maybe getting it yourself by just simply going to checking out the page. You'll be able to see some samples of their work right there. You want to just simply utilize that to your advantage, and in utilizing that, you want to make sure you do go on to getting an article for yourself. And you can actually do go on to writing an article which may be SEO optimized, which is the search engine optimized right now. And if you do write a cool article about that, that is actually amazing. But if you don't know how to write one, you just want to just simply use this particular platform right here, which is called the iwriter.com, because this platform actually helps you go on to writing stuff related to articles, blog posts, product description, and a lot more other stuff right now. So make use of this particular platform to actually do go on to writing right now. And if you do that right here and you write a cool search engine optimized article, which is an SEO optimized article, you want to just simply use that to your advantage and go on to publishing that on social platforms like the medium.com. You could also use the vocal media right now, and in uploading that on such platforms, guys, you want to just simply make sure you're actually chipping in your affiliate link right there for this particular gig or any other gig right there which you're actually promoting in that particular platform like vocal media and medium.com. And if you do upload on such platforms right here, guys, you then want to just simply chipping in your link right there to such gigs. And how do you get your link to such gigs? Is that you want to just simply come right here to this platform, which is called the affiliate.fiverr.com. And this is actually a cool platform right here where you could actually go on to getting some cool links right now on any gig of your choice right there. You could get cool links right now to any active gig right there on Fiverr. So if you do get such links right there, make sure you actually go on to writing a cool article and chip in those links right now into your articles right there. And you want to just simply publish that on platforms like Medium and Vocal Media. And the more traffic which you do get to that particular offer, the more chances you do get of making money online right now as an Fiverr affiliate marketer. So you want to just simply take advantage of that and try as much as possible for that your particular article to go onto ranking on Google. And you can actually go onto using other platforms right there that can actually help you get your article to rank on Google, because the more your article ranks on Google, the better chances of you getting conversions right now actually are. So use this to your opportunity right now and start making money in the year 2023 and beyond. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure notification bells are turned on all. So see you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.